Okay, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to week 6, the restaurant business. A great topic for us to be able to explore as we move out of hotel business and then after our beverage assignments, and then being able to take a look at something that I'm sure everyone's done before, which is eat at a restaurant. So this particular week, we'll think about kind of the business side of the restaurant business, how we classify restaurants, and then some trends. I've pulled trends from 2021, so you can see if they came true, 2022, and then even a forward-looking one for 2023. So as we look at the assignments, I do have a preview of an assignment that's not due for several weeks on the mind map, so you can take a look at that assignment. More immediately, I'm looking to get all of the beverage assignments so we can have the beverage discussion closed out. And then building your own restaurant. So taking what you think about in learning about the concepts of the restaurant business and designing what your restaurant would look like. So we'll take a quick peek at that one, since that's the one that's going to be the most current assignment that's going to be due. So you're going to answer just a couple of quick questions. What is the concept of your restaurant? What is the market that you're trying to attract? The capture that you're trying to get, what customers are you looking for, the location. Please try to be specific about the city, state, and kind of demographics of the location. What ambiance or decor elements are you including in your restaurant? And then I want to see some menu design and pricing ideas. So at least 3 menu items and a beverage menu, and then what price you would have for each. And we're going to build upon this restaurant assignment in next week's when we start thinking about restaurant business, so and operations actually. So I look forward to hearing your ideas about your own restaurant that you'd like to build, and I wish you a great week ahead. Thank you.